Hello my dear and lovely students. Let's see a game in the screen. Look at the screen. Let's see a game. I know you do this. This is a fantastic game. Okay? My dear and lovely students. Welcome to Bangladesh Alokita Prathamik Shikkok page. Today I will take a lesson of class 5 in English from Bangladesh Alokita Prathamik Shikkok page. My dear and lovely student, you know who I am. I am Muhammad Abdul Rashid, assistant teacher, Kamalpur Haji Janamali Government Primary School, Bhoirab, Kishorganj. And here is your lesson introduction, class 5, subject English, unit 5. My dear and lovely student, now I wanted to see you some picture or something. Do you want to see it? Okay? Look at the screen. What do you see in the picture? And what is this? Look, this is a calendar of the year 2020. This is a calendar of the year 2020. So, my dear and lovely student, you understand what is today's lesson? Okay? Yes, today's lessons, days in a calendar. Write down in your khata. Today's lessons, days in a calendar. Days in a calendar. Okay, my dear student. Now look at the screen. There is a calendar of the year 2020. 2020. Okay. Look. 2020. এখানে একটা বল আছে, এটা 2020 হবে। ওকে। Look, the year January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. Okay, my dear student. Now look at the screen. Read and say. Read and say. There are 60 seconds in a minute. There are 60 seconds in a minute. Look, this is a watch, minute, hour and second. There are 60 seconds in a minute. Okay, my dear student. Now next, read and say, there are 60 minutes in an hour. There are 60 minutes in an hour. Okay, my dear student, look another picture. Read and say, this is a day. Day. There are 20 hours in a day. There are 20 hours in a day. Okay, my dear student. Look and say, what is this? What is this? There are 7 days in a week. Look, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday and Friday. Okay, there are 7 days in a week. Look in the screen. There are 7 days in a week. There are 7 days in a week. Okay, look at the screen, my dear and lovely student. Look and say, what do you see in the picture? What do you see in the picture? There are 4 weeks in a month. In a month. There are 4 weeks in a month. Look, there are 4 weeks in a month. There are 4 weeks in a month. Okay, my dear and lovely student. Look and say, look, January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. There are 12 months in a year. There are 12 months in a year. There are 12 months in a year. Okay, my dear student. Now look another slide. Look, January, February, March, and there are 31 days in a month and 30 days in a month. Okay, now we can say there are 365 days in a year. There are 365 days in a year. Okay, in a year. And there are 366 days in a leap year. In a leap year. Okay, there are 366 days in a leap year. My dear and lovely student, now let's find out new words and meaning words. Look at the screen. New words, find out new words. New words, second. What is second? Second. Okay, second. And meaning words. Look, this second is round. Second, round. Meaning words. The 60th part of a minute. The 60th part of a minute. Okay, my dear student. New word is minute. New word is minute. Minute. Okay, look, minute. Minute are round or circle. Minute. Meaning word, a period of 60 seconds. A period of 60 seconds. Minute. New words, minute, and meaning word, a period of 60 seconds. A period of 60 seconds. Okay, my dear and lovely student. Look another picture. Hour. Hour. Okay. Look, hour. This is circle or round. Hour. Okay. Hour meaning what? A period of 60 minutes. A period of 60 minutes. A period of 60 minutes. Okay, my dear student. And another new word, day. Look, day. Day. Look at the watch, day. A period of 24 hours. Day meaning what? A period of 24 hours. Okay. Look another slide. Week. New word is week. Look at the screen. Week. Okay, week. A period of 7 days. Meaning what? A period of 7 days. A period of 7 days. Okay. Next slide. Look at the screen. Month. Look, month. Month. There are 30 days in a month. Month. Okay, a period of 30 days. Meaning what? A period of 30 days. Calendar. New word, calendar. Calendar. Look, this is a calendar. Okay. January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November and December. There are 12 months in a year and this is a calendar. Calendar meaning what? Record of the days. Record of the days. Record of the days. Okay, my dear student. Now another new word is year. Year. Year and meaning what? A period of 12 months. A period of 12 months. My dear and lovely student, now let's try to rearrange the days of the week. Look at the screen. These are days and these are, look, let's rearrange the days. Rearrange the days. First, Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday and Friday. And let's try to rearrange. Okay. First, told me Saturday. Look, Saturday. Okay. And second, Sunday. Thank you very much. Sunday. Saturday, Sunday, next, Monday. Look at the screen. Monday. Next, Tuesday. Next, Wednesday. Next, Thursday. And last, Friday. Look, rearrange. Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday and Friday. My dear and lovely student, I hope you will enjoy this class very much and you know a lot of second, minute, year, hour. Okay. Now I give you your homework. Please write down in your khata. Your homework is, look at the screen. Your homework, Write in your khata. How many seconds are in a minute? How many seconds are in a minute? How many minutes are in an hour? How many minutes are in an hour? How many hours are in a day? How many hours are in a day? How many weeks are there in a month? How many weeks are there in a month? How many days are in a year? How many days are in a year? 6. How many days are in a leap year? How many days are in a leap year? Write down in your khata. This is your homework. My dear and lovely student, first, how many seconds are in a year? You know how many seconds? 60 seconds. How many minutes are in an hour? Hour. How many hours are in a day? In a day. How many weeks are there in a month? 4 weeks. How many days are in a year? Last, how many days are in a leap year? My dear and lovely student, I hope you will enjoy this class and write your homework. If you write in homework, please send with us with messenger and stay at home. See our online classes. Many thanks to stay with me. Watch your hand again and again. Listen to your parents and respect your older. Okay, my dear student, thank you very much.